concerns for parents tonight. Several cases of whooping cough have been reported at local schools, and WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson is leading the way tonight with what it means for you and your kids.
It's the sound no parent wants to hear. A cough that will make you cringe.
And the coughing can become like a whoop, like I said, where they're short of breath and having trouble getting their breath.
Butler County is starting to see cases of whooping cough, or pertussis, in area schools. 2 confirmed cases in Hamilton's Garfield Middle School and another in the freshman building.
The 2 students or the 3 students now, they have to go to the family physician. They have to be on appropriate antibiotics for 5 days, and they need a note from the doctor before they come back to school.
Today, the Butler County Health Department confirmed a 4th case. In Warren County, 1 suspect case.
Even if you're not sure, we ask that you stay home.
Pediatricians say whooping cough is highly contagious, begins as a mild upper respiratory illness, and can resemble the common cold. The biggest precaution parents can take: make sure your child's immunizations are up to date.
We initially do the vaccines when they're infants, so they get them when they're 2, 4, and 6 months, and then a booster shot before they go to kindergarten, and then there's another booster shot when they are 11 years old.
Health officials say it's not unusual for outbreaks to pop up here and there, but if the germs get into a pocket of people who haven't been fully vaccinated, whooping cough can really take off. And I also checked with the Hamilton County Health Department. From January through August, it's had 3 cases, none reported this month. Sheree.
Karen, thank you. In Hamilton, where there have been 3 confirmed cases, letters were sent out to parents.